Right, here we are, the final room in this entire house that hasn't been cleaned yet. The bathroom, this is obvious, way too obvious. It's the bathroom. So, we will now get on with finishing this place. Yeah, Blizzard Cx1, get in gear! What? The household tool thing is different except the floor. Oh no, not again! Maybe it's the point. What is down here? What is doing this? It did work. It's a work there. Put it. I did not want to. This floor is not perfect. Like the hot here, wooden half floor we had before. Look at it. How does house work? How does house work? How does it? And even the horn in the other two, even the pedal for changing from compact always ran into trouble. What? I did that seem to turn off, did I? Right. Like I said, there's only one more thing I've got to do. There we go. So that more or less about wraps up this huge full house clean, which in realistic terms that's probably taken me way over an hour to do. But of course there will be just one more video which is a far behind the scenes. So with that said, I want to thank you for watching this X-Files, and of course they will all be uploaded separately, and then followed by a full one which is to be sped up for even more crazy laughter that you have seen, including the funniest fails today. So with that said, thank you for watching my X-Files, and I will see you again next time. Slugheads!